Today's rule is take out details that do not stick to your topic. Let's look at the web on the top of the page. It says Anthony is planning a paragraph about his birthday party. Read his web, cross out the details that do not stick to his topic. His topic is listed in the middle of the web, my birthday party. Let's look at the details. Starting at the top, New Year's Day is soon, blew out candles, had a piñata, the Science Museum has a big volcano, cousins Ben and Marley came, opened presents, had strep throat last year, went to the Grand Canyon on vacation, party at Grandma's in Brooklyn, New York, had cake and ice cream. Pause the video and complete Activity A. When you're done, push play. Let's see how you did. You should have put a check mark by blew out candles, had a piñata, cousins Ben and Marley came, opened presents, party at Grandma's in Brooklyn, New York, and had cake and ice cream. The rest of those details do not stick to the topic and can be crossed out. Now let's look at Activity B. It says match each city to its state. Write the paired cities and states on the lines. Remember to use commas to separate the city and state. Pause the video to complete this activity. Use a map if you need to. Let's correct Activity B. Number 1, Dallas, Texas. 2, Miami, Florida. 3, Cleveland, Ohio.